Hello guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Now if you have not taken the time to do so already, do me a big favor and please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out a lot, and also let me know that you're liking the videos. Speaking of videos, go and take a look at some of our previous videos. You guys, I have videos on just about like every single topic, and we are actually expanding from there. But in today's video, let's take a look at Scandinavian bedrooms. So like I encourage you all the time, if you haven't taken a moment to head on over to facebook.com and join our group, go ahead and meet us over there. We have some new members. It's going to be a fun time, guys. I'm going to start really posting it in there, so definitely head on over to facebook.com and join us at AndThenThereWasStyle. Also on TikTok and Pinterest, And Then There Was Style. Now listen, if you love the look of a Scandinavian bedroom, head down to my description box. I have hand-picked some links for you to click on to see if you love the decor that I have picked, and if so, go ahead and order it. But now, let's get into the video. Along with a common culture and language, the Scandinavian countries of Norway and Sweden and Denmark share a decorating style that is really light and airy, simple and clean. I think that is what so many of us love about the Scandinavian style of home decor. The eye-pleasing design style of a Scandinavian interior can be portrayed as stunning, elegant, and minimalistic, an effortless aesthetic that can be all the while charming. A classic Scandi-inspired space usually places functionality above aesthetics, where subtle neutral touches and lots of negative space are at the forefront. A minimally designed bedroom may seem really cold and odd to you, but if you style it the Scandi way with lots of accessorizing, a lot of accessories decorating the space, it really helps to infuse this really coziness that is anything but cold. Remember, we talked about this in a different video. The Scandinavian style as well as the Danish style, they have this thing called hygge. Hygee, I believe it's called hygge, and it's just this feeling of being cozy. So a soothing atmosphere of neutrals. Other colors may be added to the color scheme, but the other colors that are even added are usually more muted and toned down. Usually like shades of blues or mauve, soft grays, charcoal, milky whites. Anything to really help capture the light. Creating a restful atmosphere is what it is all about in your Scandinavian home decor style bedroom. But be sure to bring in some of your own personality by combining this style with a twist, such as in some of these pictures you'll see that the bedrooms may have a chandelier, and you may think, wait a minute, chandeliers are not part of the Scandinavian style of home decor. But it's just you infusing a little bit of yourself and a little bit of your personality in there as well. On a couple of the beds, you may see the kind of cozy throw blankets, like really gives you hygge cozy vibes, right? But then on a couple of the beds, you may see some really bright patterned sheets or bright colored sheets. It's all about infusing a little bit of you into what the home decor style already calls for. Also, candles are a great addition. They create a nice, warm, inviting atmosphere. Decorating your bedroom with a Scandinavian style can be very diverse. It can look anywhere from vintage to industrial, depending on the materials and accessories that you select, which is going to be totally up to you. Be sure to add layers to your space with the use of throws, lots and lots of pillows. Remember, we want it to feel really cozy. Coverlets, area rugs, and fluffy animal skins. And if you don't believe in animal skins or you don't want them in your home, faux fur works great. So your flooring should be wood if you are staying true to classic Scandinavian style, with the addition of a cozy area rug for warmth. This style is playful and fun, so don't be afraid to add color. It can be in your linens, your pillows, your area rugs, art, accessories, furnishings. Listen, it can even be in your flowers. And last but certainly not least, no Swedish design interior is complete without a fireplace or a wood-burning stove. Now, this doesn't necessarily have to be in your bedroom, but it would be a great excuse to add one. Now, honestly, not everyone is going to be able to have a fireplace in their bedroom or even to add one in through renovations, but you can look at smaller fireplaces. I know I was at Big Lots recently, saw a really small fireplace, I believe it was maybe $300, just to add that extra sense of warmth in there. Alright guys, so now one of my favorite parts of the videos, let's actually take a look at some of the ideas and inspirations in this video just to know which rooms actually really nailed the Scandinavian style of home decor, bedroom, in my opinion. Definitely let me know what you think down below, and yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, so first one I wanted to bring up with this room, Scandinavian style for sure, but so many pops of color in this room, you cannot say that this room is cool. Like, I think this is a beautiful, cheery room. Also, this room really spoke to me. Now, if you look guys, this is a really small room. If it were a darker color with a lot of odd colors, accessories, it would almost feel claustrophobic. But the fact that everything is light and airy, it almost makes the room look bigger, and that window doesn't hurt either. Although outside lighting is important, adding string lights or fairy lights or any lights similar to that really spruce up the Scandinavian style a bit. Black is always a great color for accessories or hardware, anything like that. It ties right in with this style. I thought this was a really interesting room as well. This is definitely a Scandinavian style, however now you're seeing a much darker color. So I would almost name this like dark and moody Scandinavian. What do you think? Once again, clearly Scandinavian, but infused with some nice muted tones. Also some texture, as you see with that netting up above. This room gives you a lot of different layers. When you live in a climate that's dark quite a good bit of the year, good lighting becomes extra important, and light fixtures become, well, they can become focal points for interesting or unusual designs. Check out this light fixture. Alright guys, so as we near the end of this video, please take a moment to comment down below. Let me know, are you into the Scandinavian look or no? How about a Scandinavian bedroom? Would you ever see yourself having a Scandinavian bedroom? And did any of the bedrooms just kind of reach out and grab you like, oh wow, this is beautiful from this video? Let me know down below in the comment section. I'm really interested in knowing. How many of you guys have a Scandinavian home decor type theme going on? I just really want to know how popular it is. I personally have never decorated Scandinavian before. I do feel like it's very clean and less cluttered, and that's definitely a plus for me. But I'm just really interested in your opinion, so let me know down below. Alright guys, so I know I asked you to comment your favorite room down below. If you want to know mine, is this beautiful room right here. So much sunlight, it just looks so warm and cozy. I would love waking up here. As always guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.